and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Hey there! Do you ever find yourself stuck in the world of virtual meetings, battling outdated platforms that just don't cut it? Picture navigating through complex webinar software, dealing with the frustration and stress it brings. Traditional virtual meeting tools shouldn't feel like an obstacle course. They should be a canvas for your creativity, right? The struggle gets real when your hard work results in lackluster virtual interactions that fail to engage your audience. Your webinars deserve to be dynamic, captivating, and memorable. And let's not even talk about the headache of paying hefty monthly fees for platforms that don't quite meet your needs. Your resources are precious, and they shouldn't be drained by virtual meeting software that feels stuck in the past. Then there's the limitation of features in generic platforms. Many virtual meeting tools limit your creative freedom, offering a one-size-fits-all approach. Your virtual events deserve to stand out, not blend into the crowded online space. And the security concerns? Using mainstream platforms might seem like a shortcut, but it could lead to more headaches than shortcuts. Introducing AI Nexa Meet AI Nexa Meet stands out from regular webinar software as a revolutionary tool with unique features. It's not just a tool. It's your virtual ally, ready to transform your online events into seamless experiences with a click of its digital magic. No more banging your head against the wall trying to understand complicated platforms. AI Nexa Meet is the friendliest companion you'll ever meet, guiding you through the virtual realm with simplicity, no matter your tech background. So, why make the switch to AI Nexa Meet? It's user-friendly. AI Nexa Meet is easy peasy, even if you're not a tech genius. Unlimited virtual creativity. Turn your virtual events into engaging experiences. Seriously, it's like magic. Audience magnet. Make your online events go viral. Webinars, live classes, virtual consultations. Watch them get attention like never before. Access a treasure trove of features, without the security concerns. It's like having your own private virtual event suite. Turn your newfound hosting skills into cash. AI Nexa Meet can bring in profits effortlessly. Cha-ching! Save money. Forget about monthly fees for multiple tools. But AI Nexa Meet doesn't stop there. It's your ticket to a virtual event boosting paradise, where your online presence becomes a magnetic force. From webinars to virtual consultations, watch your virtual content transform into a captivating spectacle, grabbing attention in a sea of digital noise. So, why settle for lackluster virtual events when you can have extraordinary ones? Grab your subscription to AI Nexa Meet and elevate your virtual game. Your online events will be so good, they'll practically steal the virtual spotlight. Don't let subpar virtual events ruin your vibe. Level up with AI Nexa Meet. Ready to take your virtual game to the next level? Hit the buy button right now.